Where's Bryn? Hi. What are you doing in there?
I'm playing with soap.
Playing with soap?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
You say hi to Nana and Papa?
Hi, Mom.
Where do Nana and Papa live?
Washington.
Michigan. Are we going to go see them? We're going to go see them in the summer?
Yeah.
We're going to go in an airplane?
Yeah.
Well, let's go check on your sister. She's kind of loud up here. Oh. She is just playing with that little bell. She got it stuck on her finger and she just thought that was the berries earlier. Yes, we're halfway done getting dressed. I think this is the 4th outfit of the day. We like to blow out our diaper a lot. Or spit up. You say hi to Nana and Papa? It's about as loud as we get, from noisy as Kate gets. Alright, just want to make sure this isn't too big of a movie, so we're going to shut it off now.